everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So by the title itself, you would have got to know what I'm going to share today. It's nothing but a wedding guest makeup look. This makeup look is what I'm going to share with you all, and I hope you'll really enjoy this video. And a quick reminder is most of you all are watching my video consistently without subscribing, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm done cleaning my face and cleansing it really well. So make sure you start with a clean face so that your makeup looks beautiful. And next I'm going to use this Nivea Creme Moisturizer and moisturize my face. Now I'm going to blend this into my skin really well. So the reason for me to use this thick moisturizer here is just because we're going to do a little heavy makeup today. So that is why I'm using this moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that suits your skin. So I'm going to let the moisturizer sit for some time so that it absorbs in my skin. Until then I'm going to be using a lip balm. So this lip balm I only made it. It's a DIY. So now I'm going to do my brow. For that I'm using my Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil here. And with this I'm going to do my brow. Make sure not to overfill your brow, just small strokes and thin strokes will make it look very natural and amazing. So now once I'm done filling both the eyebrows, I'm going ahead and using the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer and concealing my eyelids and my eyebrows. So first what I do is I blend with the help of a brush, and then I use a beauty blender to blend it perfectly. So now I'm going to use a powder and set this well. We use a powder and set it just because it shouldn't crease. So make sure to set it well. And now I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. So for that I'm using the Colorboard Glaze palette. So I'm going to use this blending brush here. It should be very fluffy. So I'm going to use this to blend my eyelids. So I'm going to be using this pink shade here to blend my crease. And make sure to always tap off the excess and then gently place it and blend it like this. Make sure to take very little color in the starting and you can build it up later. So you can see in both my eye, I've done the crease, very soft crease, but it's very nice and gentle. So now I'm going to be using this shade here, a little more darker color, and build the color. So you all can see in this eye how I went ahead and built up the color here. From this it went to this. So now I'm going to be adding a glitter, a rosy pink shade, a very gorgeous shade, and blending with your fingers is the best. So now what I'm going to do is use a mauve shade. So I'm going to use that in the outer corner now. So now if you can see, now the eye looks more deeper and more intense. So now I'm going to start with my base. So first of all, let's use a primer. I'm using the Blue Heaven primer here. Blend it here. Wherever areas you have lots of oil production and fine lines and all of those problems, place it there and then blend it using your fingers. So now I'm going to be using an orange color corrector, just a very light orange color corrector. This is completely optional, but since it's a little glam makeup, I'm using this. So now you can see I've color corrected the area wherever I have darkness, like around my mouth, around the nostrils here, under my eye, and everywhere I have some acne spots. And now I'm going to use the beauty blender and blend this all. So once I'm done with that, I go ahead and use the Lakme foundation here, and I'm in the shade 01. So you can see we are thoroughly done blending our foundation. Even make sure to do it on your neck as well so that everything looks matching and blended all together. So now again we're going to be using the concealer, that is the Swiss Beauty concealer, and again highlight wherever you need. So applying under my eye, on the bridge of the nose. Here are the areas where you have to highlight. Then on the forehead, Cupid's bow and chin. So we are doing this line here to just create a depth. And now once I'm done concealing and blending everything, I'm going to use a compact. So I'm using the LE18's compact powder here, and I'm going to set my concealer. So wherever I've applied concealer, only there I'm going to set it. So now I'm going to use the Dazzlitex eyeliner. So now I'm using the same pink shade and I'm smudging my waterline too. So now I'm gently going to contour my face also and blend it in your hairline. So now I'm going to add some pinky fresh glow on my face. So I'm going to add a little bit of blush. You should blend it in the upward motion like this. Now I'm going to use the Blue Heavens Walk Free Mascara and coat my lashes very well. So now I'm done with everything. So I'm going to set my face with the Swiss Beauty makeup spray now. So until the setting spray dries, I'm going to add on some lipstick now. So next I'm going to use the Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow, and I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight. Wow, just see the pigmentation. It's just amazing, right? So you can see the makeup look has turned quite great and looks very subtle, simple but yet gorgeous. That's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video and found something useful, and many of you would have learned this look, so do try it out and let me know. And I personally love this look so very much. It's all put together, came out so beautifully, and I'm enjoying it a lot. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. And you all know what to do. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. And do share it with your friends and family so that even they get to know how to do this simple glamorous makeup look. And I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe and don't forget to check out my Instagram handle. I would be posting reels on this look, so go ahead and check that out too. The link is in the description box. So I'll see you next time. Bye.